Without wasting your time today, I'm just going to be giving you a recipe to get a lighter skin in just 1 week. Yeah, this recipe is going to give you a lighter skin in just 1 week. Mind you, it is. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, it's your girl again, Luminous Skincare. If you're seeing this face for the first time, hi, I'm Luminous, and on this channel we film about skincare, product reviews, supplement reviews, DIYs, everything concerning skincare. So without wasting your time today, I'm just going to be giving you a recipe to get a lighter skin in just 1 week. Yeah, this recipe is going to give you a lighter skin in just 1 week. Mind you, it is an exfoliant. It is not meant to be used and go into the sun. It is not a recipe that you use and walk into the sun. The next thing you do is walk into the sun. You want to do this recipe only at night and follow the description I'm giving you. So what you'll be needing for this recipe is just 2 ingredients. Imagine 2 ingredients is strong enough to give you that extra lightening skin you want within 3 days safe. Within 3 days you start seeing this amazing result I'm talking about. So the first thing you need is your Dr. James lotion. Yeah, Dr. James cup cream. If you can't get this Dr. James cup cream, you need a mild body cream. That is the first thing you need. You need a very mild body cream. Then the next thing you want to do is add 3 tablespoons of your lactic acid into the body cream. If you're getting Dr. James body cream, you're adding 3 tablespoons of your lactic acid. I said 3 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons of your lactic acid into this Dr. James cup cream. This is an exfoliating cream. It is not a day-to-day cream. It is not a cream that you use and go into the sun. Please take notes and don't say Luminous said you should rub this and you can walk into the sun with it. This is an exfoliating cream. All you have to do is get your Dr. James cream, add 3 tablespoons of your lactic acid into the cream, mix very well. Yes, make sure to mix your cream very well after pouring the lactic acid. Then the next thing you'll be adding is your propylene glycol. Propylene glycol is also a penetrator. It is going to help this cream penetrate into your skin very fast. You need 2 tablespoons of your propylene glycol into this mixture, and then you have your cream. This is how to use it. After mixing this particular recipe very well, yes, you need to mix it very well because you don't want to have lumps or anything on the part of the soap. After mixing this soap very well, what you want to do is at night apply this cream after exfoliating or after taking your bath. Apply this cream like your normal body cream. Apply it on your skin, all over your skin very well, like an exfoliant. After applying it, wait for about 15 to 20 minutes. Do not exit this time. Wait for about 15 to 20 minutes. This cream would have probably penetrate and dry off on your skin by then. You want to reapply this cream again. You understand what I'm saying? You're going to apply this cream for about 3 to 4 times at night before going to bed. You understand? Before going to bed, you're going to apply this cream about 3 times. Wait 20-minute interval for each time you apply it. Wait 20-minute interval. Go in and apply it again. Go in and apply it again. Do the same thing the next day. Do this particular routine for straight up 7 days, and you are going to have this flawless looking skin. Mind you, you do not want to dwell on this for too long. It is an exfoliant. Exfoliants also react when you abuse it. You do not want to exfoliate every day, but because you want this fast light skin, you do this for straight up 7 days, and after 7 days get a normal lightening lotion that is going to help and work very well, you understand, with this particular lotion. Do this straight up for just 7 days. Please do not exit 7 days while doing this. Do this straight up for 7 days. You can leave it all through the night, then wash it off in the morning. You understand? After doing this, leave it all through the night, sleep with it, then wash off in the morning. Repeat this routine for 7 days only at night. Then after then, get a good lotion, get a good soap, a good whitening soap, and a good exfoliating scrub. Then you are going, it's just like you have what will I say, you have opened your skin, like you're trying to take off the dead skin layer of your skin. Then any product you apply at that time is going to work magic. I say magic, it's going to work magic on your skin. So if this video have been helpful in one way or the other, please kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell, so you'll be the first to be notified each time once I drop a new video. Until next time, see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Peace out.